Watch, watch, watch. For the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, I say. A franchise, the choosing one. The 10-star general. I'm there I represent to the fullest for Gaza Sparta. You know my thing set already. When you think you need to escape from me, dead boy and dead girl. 200 dead. And the bloggers, them dead too. Well, fella. Wiz and Siamara too, body boom boom. Mr. T a fuck them off, they must have pum pum. Mr. T more long him lip favor pum pum. Him suck boy jaw to get him stay alone done. Watch. For the general, the 10-star one. In a full effect. And hear me I say, when you say when do a burial, and it sound like it's a bedtime story for a little kid who do. No, in the ears, a dancehall clashing. You never see no artist bury no artist like that. The most famous clash artist Jamaica ever have. A thing called Desmond Valentine, the great Dan Gaga Ninja Man. When them man they are bury people and say my bury people, when them man they drop the burial song, not even counteraction can do. Because the crowd no want to hear nothing from nobody. Yo, Jamil, I go warn you. You know, say you put bullet pan cross and murder the demon. Remember, you a look war, you know. And you pick the war, you know. You can't done the war until you kill the demon, you know. But what you do wrong, you never use no silver bullet. And you'd have to shoot the demon in him heart or him forehead. I graze the demon. I look a girl scratch. Let me tell you something. One good song you drop, and the third song where you drop. One good song you drop, my brother. The two first song them where you drop, those are all. The lyrics them where you spit tonight, Alkaline talk the whole of that pan him interview already. Movado sing about the scamming thing already. And Alkaline sing about some of them already. So my advice, you patch up them argument there, you come with it. And they look at idiot bloggers them who are run with their thing. Them not tell you say, them lyrics there, play it out already. Them already has said, you know go like him creative and him find nothing new and attack Tommy Lee with. Him never attack the demon with nothing new. Don't go thinking him attack the demon with where that's new. Him say put cross on the bullet. But it's never a silver bullet. So you know you can't gauge demon like that. Let me tell you something. Remember, 2008, January morning, Movado come out, and say him nah do no more clashing tune, because him couldn't counteract last man standing, And that was the end of Gully, You see what I deal with? And now you join up MVP. If you don't clash a demon, and you run, you don't show the demon act already, Remember Alkaline and Movado run, and the demon still blaze up lyrics underneath them. You anywhere at all, there are bare lyrics underneath you, and anyhow you run, it's going to be the ending of MVP. I tell you that. Because you can pick why. You can't left the war until you kill the person. You act like you have the man ticket. You make them boots you up. Here we go on now. I don't see from the year start, them now 2-2 drop no song. Them say them that come out with them album and them a hold it back and them Ear Vibes Cartel have an album. From them Ear Vibes Cartel get him appeal. Everything start chimbo. So them guess is, you see, last year or the year before last, Alkaline burn up the local chart with music and them still couldn't go run Popcorn. So you see say, the only thing we have to go do, we have to go challenge Gaza artists them for try take over. So I think sir Cartel there there wait pan. And I think you Alkaline you want you want Popcorn position. You know what I mean? Remember, Jamil, the run up, Popcorn, and Popcorn never look upon him, And then him run up on Virgin, And the whole owner act like say Virgin never blaze him up, I see that, that cool on the two of them career for hits. You know what I mean? Remember, this youth is a nice, culture artist, And him come in a rude boy zone, And him come for challenge a demon. Let me tell you something. Anywhere at all you do, over the world, you never can escape this. And we answer you when we're ready. And you are the apprentice and we are the professional. And when you talk about broke and them shit there, them argument they played out. Remember the last time the boy them violate over Dominica? Go back, go do your research and look how much money we get for that. You hear me? I tell you, and I know. You know, I Google your name, I know you don't value so much money. You see what I deal with? So don't play with my thing. Don't play with the thing. A demon run the place. You know, you're not mad like Sparta. And let me tell you something, crutches on my. You see, you don't know how to use the demon use, Don't think like you do not big, When the man give him song, the man set you up for beat up Jamil, Watch what happen, I see when him dead, it's all because of you. So MVP for watch you carefully. Because you're easy for mislead. The man use you and I go kill them. Watch at the general, the 10-star one. I want to know how you feel now, fish tea. How you feel now, because I don't see you come talk about nothing. Yo, wait. You not review the song. You not tell the people them say a weak song with a big by yourself. Eh? You not go tell the people them say a weak song. Gaza people no listen to them, Because be a mouth chemist them, A mouth a massy. You think you look a mouth and susu can win the world? You have to have real lyrics. One song him drop. And I'm third song. You know what I mean? The first two are fuckery. The first two are fucking carbon copy and knock off them. Them already used already. You know what I mean? Him never find no creative in it. Don't go think him find his bullet pan cross. That can't murder demon, my virgin. You have to have real silver bullet. You hear that? And you have to shoot with the heart and the fucking head. And let me tell you something. Every second the heart change. Every second the heart find a different weak spot. Remember me tell you, a Sparta around the place. The man are going to burn you up and gun you up and done you up. You see me? And all on the dead and a go on. If you tell the next two for answer, because you alone can't manage, them hurry up and write two look a song gear. And now you run out of argument but you don't want to run from war. I said the last time I see two man clash. And a man run from the war. The whole fucking gully side come down. You hear that? Gaza take over the whole fucking gully side and take over dancehall music from that day until today. And I try hard to get it back. So I send Jamil. And I guess you talk about line up for Popcorn and Cartel. Let me tell you something. When the world boss come on road, him not go soon. Because you can't test family, now you can't test Popcorn. It burn all the hype hype up on yourself. And Popcorn still at the face of dancehall as a young local youth. Remember my father come to America. And when him first time him come back and Winfred talk to him, my father tell Winfred say him. I remember say him did gun down the place. And tell Winfred say him can get up and run the place anytime him want to. You know how long him said that? Around 2 years now. And no one can get back the place. And the teacher there in a locked up. And all no him can get back the place. You see me? You take how much minutes per Sunfest. And the demon use 7 or 8 minutes out of 10 minutes and gunning up. You know what I mean? You not hide. And I send poor little Jamil. With him look. I think if Jamil did do one of them 9-night song there, it would have more better. If him did sing one of them song there, where people sing a 9-night, where the man them drink rum and sing a 9-night, it would appear off more better. But that little fuck with the way him sing, it's a story for a fucking little kid who will take too long for go in bed. So you tell him a little story and send him go in bed. You don't know. Gaza world. You don't have to pay for living it. Watch Watch. Sparta, Demon, Dead Boy, and Dead Girl. See them there? Watch. General, I see some local man, you know, where a black for Gaza. And two of them see some local yes man. And some local yes man I jump up on the internet and I chat up them more. My sister them get shaky. You want me tell you something, dog? We not have to hold on the order. You hear what I say? Gaza not deal with nothing weak. You hear that? We not deal with lollipop thing. We not have to know what I say. And I know joke thing now tell you know when time I come. You know what I mean? The straight facts me spit. You know what I mean? Me not deal with no ignorance. Cause I'm got ignorant people talk illiterate. The facts me a chat. Watch. You know me run this blood clot thing here. None of you no bumbo clot hardcore like me. Not one fucking not of you hardcore like me. And we are gonna set the place and make you blood clot fella. Watch. The General 10 star. I make me say Gaza, Sparta people. If you no love how my son say Gaza, Sparta in my inbox. The General, the 10 star one. Fist team, a batty boom boom. You must see my wigs, them a mix up in our things, they must have pum pum. Watch. General, you take the man song and I play with it a bait to bait you up. You don't even know that. You don't even know if you smell the bait. If you never walk me a mouth, you wouldn't get caught. You come like some blood clot hungry fish. Watch. General, 10 star, Gaza, for life. Sparta people, rise up. Demon forever. Watch.